rich food. Classic. I have to go lock this door first. Alright. Guys, share this video. When I share this video, I'm trying to look at my wife because my wife don't see I don't come. As I reach us, nobody there ask. Children don't go school, my wife don't go work. So now I enter fridge. I reach food. So I want to eat now. You see, if my wife see and say, now this life they continue to say they ask. I'm not gonna say they come. I'm not gonna say they come ask. No, that's not. I don't like to surprise my family. I'm gonna come to my mind. My mind is good job. Constant.
This life I can't please anybody. I can't life to please anybody. You the come and you the jealous me. You the come and you the envy me. You the come and you the gossip me. I don't care. I do what I like. I like what I do. I do what I like. I like what I do. I catch my cruise. I feel my cruise. I smoke my poly and I feel alright. If you don't love me, you F.O.
I'm the bam bam the bam the bam bam. Now look at the video.
If you don't love her, she can't use the bar.
No. Oh yeah, now let's go there. I can't jump it. Remove it, thank you. That's what they do document. And then they call us. I'm going to surprise my family. I'm going to share the call. And every time I go for see my video. Now share on myself. I have to share the video. Make the video go viral. Make this where my wife did. I'm coming in the work. What's the work? I'm making cost of the work, right? This is the insult me. The man is what's the way I ask and never answer because they insult me. See that one. No, if you don't cover. We analyze this man already. No one about this man. But not throw bomb. I go shift. Maybe they bomb, they go, maybe they bomb. Since yes, the meantime does the video. The one will make me laugh on inside the video where did you say justice for Izzy Omoruyi? Izzy too. Izzy one of Radio Mila. Izzy one of radio. That's Izzy too. Izzy one of radio. That's Izzy too. Only that Izzy one of Radio Mila. Comment activer ce one? Il y a ce one et il est comme un bon bas. Gracias. Bon appetito. After I finish up by way, the finish of my raw. The man on my wife, my nana. Oh, I really almost to you. I will. How do we do it? I come like Bolos on my night if you know Balot. Boy, I see. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not here where I see. I better one. It's 1, 2, 3, yeah. Swan. I will remember. We were Izzy Eddie. I greet you correct to me. Ça me fait qu'on show my wife my document now. Mon man just kissing to diagnose. Non. Wato. Allô? Avec tout. De la vidéo. De la vidéo. Ah oui. Ah non. Don't you get mad? Don't you remember? Don't you remember? You get mad. Oh, Bell. Babon y'a la yegbe. Il y a un carabinieri. Vous pour dire non? Documento. Ah ouais, c'est. Là, on va comment nous avoir fait. Et nous nous mais ouais. Pas trop. Izzy Omoruyi. Izzy one of radio. Ayemiamo. You might be making the show, need to give him away. Oh yeah, sorry, carabinieri. Come start? Documento. Yeah. Very sorry. Very sorry. That means you're not watching my video. I am very sorry. Alright. Di ali mama na rosa. Ko ni ba. Watch that video now. Who's calling my phone? So that's my wife is coming. You see this video. Hello?
Where for the see you so?
I did one of my girlfriend house. One of my girlfriend house.
For the see you so. You know I documented husband. So you just call this guy since morning. Now they call you don't carry my phone. I said we can enter Facebook. I say I can't say Facebook did live video. I say yeah, this man this. So not be this house when I know it. Like this man this so. So now also you know what you will do with this my phone.
When you surprise me.
My God, thank God say you get what you eat.
I dey eat I can bring the color. Mama you go fridge.
Okay.
No, because because I yo.
So when I go I did there. That's why I documented those ones. That's why I do good one.
I greet you.
If I say welcome.
Off with me.
Okay.
Off with me.
If I say star what want do today, I documented what do tonight.
It just because
Documented what they do.
honest because the way we have got it. Honest speaker.
Hey, when I go speaker now.
I want documented style.
Now documented style. How would they do since I know you? So now I'm going to do documented though. Boy.
This guy, I'm very happy to see you.
Yes, I'll call it the day today. Say I'll go bring the children come. Because maybe I always documented though. In case I got making that noise that heavy one. I'll go meet neighbor today. Say hey, level don't change you.
I love you. Ciao.
What have I finished?
Hey, for that speaker.
I go meet neighbor. What speaker? Mama, you're going to for it. I go meet neighbor. If the children don't come back today, they will agree to finish. I'll carry them go give it today.
I pray.
They need to sleep that. They will sleep that. Wait now. They will sleep that side tonight, so that we will do document. Not they do documented though. You know.
I don't know how you teach me.
I did it though.
Man, I already documented one. I already documented one. Documented immigrant.
Okay. Undocumented. Them however since I quite aware, I making noise, I quite aware, respectful. Already documented that we're making noise. Yeah, wow.
Police.
Police we document we expect for me finire. Expect. Come finish it now. I will give you a document. If you want document, I'm going to give you. Only way is a document.
Welcome,
my king.
Off with me. I greet you.
Oh, man.
Well, don't get away from one. I will not have. I'm going to have.
Nobody now. Why you don't trust your wife? You trust me now. When we are undocumented, now you are documented.
Off with me. Okay, I want to come.
Okay, now let's have bon appetito.
Ciao.
Ciao.
So this is my woman. Another comedian. Another bad comedian. All right. Big bear. You got there for? Let's go to. Very important. You're not supposed to talk. Yes. I started to surprise my family. So yesterday, we talk before I sleep. I'm not gonna say I'll come today. I'm not gonna come this morning. First thing this morning, I wake up, I write that tree. That's where the baton and the come. Yo. Izzy Omoruyi. We'll call the play of video one after the other. But let me not give me my answer. But maybe we don't know. I might just want to go. There's one to justice in any way. I think well justice in the way, but to boy equal justice in the way now. That's a case I can do. All right. I'm gonna share this video. I'm gonna listen. Guys, share the video and listen to Izzy Jonah. We're in the football winner. Let's use this one. This is how we hire. What will you make? Ẹ̀yí kọ́nà fẹ́ jòrò mi. Ẹ̀yí kọ́nà fẹ́ jòrò mi omi jù. Since don't block me. Why is they blocking her? Izzy the live video they insult you, Mama Sharon. No problem. Izzy the live video they insult. No problem. That one is small thing. The insult not be the problem. We know say this insult must come now, so definitely Izzy go feel do sagarish, a no gay. We go feel do sagarish Monica. Which person for this show be the way he want to do sagarish? You know the. You understand? Izzy is already dead among the living. But now the truth now want from your hand. If you think single use that is shouting, why would the eyeglass like Obama take over the truth of Sharon's death? It's just lying. He said, because me, I go drag Izzy, drag Mama. I mean the thing. You understand? I small. What's up with the drag? What's up they go? So you just be a great small. Don't play. Hey, are you boy? Yo? Which platform for do the video? Which of the platform for do the video? If I do video. Hey, okay, now here for doing. This one now. Omoruyi patient easy.
Behind you, because this is getting too much.
Yeah. When I go to the video.
President. Imago wa saga Eddie Buffy. Imago wa saga Samede. Imago wa saga Dorothy. What are you here? Go my daddy. Emi ni u yo ni ye. Eni u yo ni ye.
Okay, in the life for you. And I want to watch down with the life.
In the life.
Now one after the other.
Many of them are going to talk, say, Izzy not talk, Izzy keep quiet, Izzy not talk. I've been very quiet for some time. In fact, a lot of things they want to talk because the same way they talk, say make I not talk. If they spoil my name, they lie for my head.
But when I share this video, move start from where for start the talk yesterday. You understand? At least make it do more. You know, only pinch a picture yesterday. You need to come and talk. And no matter the saga, what you will do easy. Speak the truth. You have to speak the truth because there are still more things about you we I never talk. Let me tell you, see, me never do part one. No, last time part one. Just as it was already the comment, me you call it talk first. Before I go start the part one. And I'm going to play all the videos, all the audios. You go to hear them for your ear. You know, so you get what you go to hear, you know if you debunk them. Especially when you see the person go, oh, you understand? Now the video yesterday. That video yesterday is too raw and rugged. Because the audio way I play yesterday now is shock easy. Because now person where you see face to face. Now person where you are in the see face to face, now they talk so. You know the either. You understand? Not be your cause or not be one really kill the person. You understand? What if the family request person remove your hand from their body? They are picking the thing where you spoil, go on do one. OKPAMEN we muria. Ekuna mweli ya kinwa you na mweli wa ya fie with you. You understand? Since we hear his way back no yogisu or eti ya bie. We ni bia miva. No bia miva. Wa yok pa de gwe. Wa ya meti la wa edebo mu na de koma. And wa ya me not la wa. Easy. You never see anything. Go me you look. Easy. Wa ya meti la wa. Edeg be shall na de koma. And wa ya me not la wa. When I share this video, you get where they go. Oh, she no wrong. Go leave me no you. Are mi o. Kaze no gbo wa lo te gbo ma o. Are mi o. Oh, wa ri aye o. Oh, wa ri aye o. Oh, wa ri aye ni ari zedero you. Wonderful. Let's go there. Share the video, guys. Let's go. Get out of the way. I'll see you tomorrow.
Now the same one they comment for the Izzy now bad person. Oh God, don't let me have a friend like Izzy while we are commenting here. So now today I'm from Mr. Frank Omosu. No mind the Macon.
Ne wano.
Macon yes.
Oh Kobo.
Beno.
Beno.
So Frank,
at
your age, you might mean of adoption.
Yeah.
Frank, when I'm meeting Ladia put it away, you go adopt child, husband and wife go adopt her. You can't get another mama. Anyway,
oh.
I'm gonna tell you but my
okay.
I go when once away. You are very as the enemy, and where they go talk. I said, you are a shit that it is just looking to be a new way.
Thank God, it is just a hinera. Hinera. Umo bi rania, umo bi jeni mo ta mo wi we no bia. Because you ma be ma we, you ma be ma we. U hi yo ma ti de mo we la dian. We na yak basha we no je mi la ma ti ya be mo we. You understand? Easy to it. You might be more baby. Uno you working. You understand? Une see me. Agan. You understand? Oknyokba. Ewe nya. Uhun we mu ya gbon hun dan. Unana, onana ma bia mo. Ewe easy.
Why you don't have one?
Very Nigeria. Iri ya gbon na vie 6 people le be ade. Oni ohun kokotu. Benu weje ohun nyakpa. On est qu'on a signé n'a bien les liens. A bien on donne. Il dit à bon ya. Hello.
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 Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hello, you hear me?
I hear you loud and clear.
Thank you, my brother. God bless you.
God bless you, boss.
This one when you insult your papa, insult your mama, so he help where you as a presenter don't render to many people. How many he don't do?
Now amounts that they make.
How many he don't do? All presenter, what we all say presenter for Benin way did is diaspora. I may not be like say they talk like. Now let me just say that you be personally yet. You don't use your platform to raise money for people. Then just use your money to see do well for people for the state. How many them will be when they will be like parrot? What they don't do is that.
Not do.
So when somebody never do half of what you don't do, so no need for you to listen to that kind of person now. Now when you don't fit do quarter for what you don't do, they feel still okay. Because they try, you see they try to ready to say you want even do the type of what you don't do. You understand?
Exactly.
So that's what it be. Nothing more than that. Nothing more than that. It's the way you stand at all of them stand. That get the for carry and go Africa. You understand? So leave them. Their matter. They don't know what to say. Maybe they drag their say no, you know you that they drag. Believe them. Thank you. God bless you.
God bless you.
All I have to tell my brother. Continue for what you do.
God bless you.
You understand? Petty good work. God, petty good work must speak for them. Petty truth must speak for them. They know they hide truth.
Exactly.
You understand? So all of us, they see. You understand me? So
exactly.
So get person like you around, let's say 4 or 5. I don't say no go be like that. I'm honest to you. It not go be like that.
Thank you very much.
Which one want come out here to boldly say, do what you want me to take be boldly? That's 100%. You know the 50 now.
Nah.
My God, oh, thank you.
I greet you, bro. Thank you very much. What already?
One and one. Ask where. So, fam, you don't know the meaning of adoption. Adoption means a child now belongs to you. That child now belongs to you. When the documentation is complete, it's now called adoption. So, when Dr. Sime, I'm wearing Nigeria, I buried in Nigeria. Dr. Sime, man say they mark one day.
When you not say another reply, well, Izzy, you know I want to reply you. Number one, before you want to do video, you want to come to talk to me. If you want your baba your hair. Izzy, you are down here. One share this video, go give them. After you don't click for your live video, come watch this my video. Before you sit down for your social media, say you want to come talk to me. Either you go, if you not fit get better human hair for head, better human head. If you not fit get better human hair put for head, come sit down and do that video. Go plate a tick belly or a tea side all this own. Oh, you are metal. Or better still. Who beto? The Facebook money good one. Who beto moto? Understand? Good talk me. Una ya mu hiyo ya gu megun e ba bo yan live egbe. Iwa both e ba bo we o yan live egbe. Una ya mu hiyo yo mu hiyo. Na mu hiyo ya gu megun. Una mu hiyo. Hiyo mu hiyo anyo sponge. Umu anyo sponge you ya wo saga. Ure ya ro e ba la rezi ba bo live egbe. Iwe sun gu be ne wo. Agwa bijwa. You what our visual? In who that boiling? Anyway, in your own that was boiling for you to use iron sponge. Come to do saga. Who that we give you when you go? We now. Wait, you know, they see the wig, we had it for hell. They will do saga. You don't die. We had the way it was saga. Umeti ya de better human hair mu you do ya saga man. If you don't know, make you know now. Now me be Frank Omozo, Papa we mumu. Omozo umno bekola alaluhi period water because. You understand me now? One room presenter. Man, no, that's my name. I'm well known I'm at all. Another person who collect that name from me. So if you want to call that name, call it with respect. Who went Frank or Mozo? Who ye yo? You respect your. You understand? Because I will hear it be Zero point na ze the social media. Ana muni ya na ya ni mo van. Anti gele we mi keni ni. Igele we mi na le Mozo ni. Because you Mozo ni me who you are now with that. It na the lawo gbe. You understand? Emi Mozo ni mi no mind e gbe ni. Ni be na mo zuoni eni o zuoni me you were onana tell man like we na no jade if video by kai odo no jade o we yi sin e na go sin we video no say ha no ifa you start o we here you here na do for you o ma mi ropa you go explain tire no evidence. The only thing I want from you is to come out and debunk everything we are talking. One, yak me video now yak me yan, that's to let you know say you never come out for social media. Can't tell the world why you delete that Oyibo, Sharon Oyibo number for Sharon phone before you go give him man. Umay no time. You never come out, can't talk why you delete Sharon phone number, your man phone number, boy phone. Before you go give the phone to man. One. And you never even come out, can't tell us. If you call OKPAMEN, bring Mimi come for you, miracle. And be on a conference call with Oyibo, maybe the body talk to the miracle, talk to the miracle after Sharon's death. Two, you never come and call the bunker. If you call Oyibo, tell Oyibo say Sharon don't buy. Three, things when Sharon tell you, Sharon bank accounts, the pin to everything will concern Sharon will deal with you. You never submit them to the family. You think say cover I will look you. I go talk. If you think so, nobody will ask you. As in way, you feel use a basharo, you feel use a bama, you feel use a press mama. You see more. Talk where or where or yes, compared to Ogime. But I quite work with I'm working by or yes, because I will expose you on your man. Make it with your boy now. Oh, you are. Oh, you mean, we are talking about dead person here. No one was in you. No, there is no sign in your body. Woman with your close friends. Bye. There is no sign. You came out categorically and sit down comfortably. Talking. Then, if I go blow on, I can't analyze what you talk today.
Doctor Seamen.
When I share the video, when I listen.
Of adoption. Anyway,
you are con.
I went to YJ school, I will be letting. Or say I get it
More monzo. In my year school. Is where year school, or not basketball. If you don't way school, abi, una year school. We give a year school and we are the obu. Why you not okay, my obu? A graduate, we born a boy. Graduate. Oh, we are well, more you are more at the obu. More wife and walk back. Oh, we are well, we are not. Oh, we not go be a soft like a bow carry. Oh, we are the man of a Pelawa, one hammer with him. Easy, shift closer. Because you get many things to debunk when I go start. I go start the prayer band, you go debunk prayer. You never know anything. And they use hand, they want you say, sorry, and they say, take your time for this dead body matter. Take your time for this dead body matter. You know, bang me, or you know, egg me, is it now bang me? Well, you know, yeah, but what you plan, I know, you feel me so? Oh, we are no one is so well, you want to you are here with. Where is the man today? Izzy Omoruyi. Where is the man today? Because I will expose you. I will expose your man. Am I so keke? Oh, kado no. Anya kwai. You ta because we boom. Why believe? Oh, you know you wa because we no give anyone. Egbere na ona ya yoku, egbere na ona sike, egbe mo yini. Enyo pela de egbere uguma le. Egba fi agbegidi. Egbe yan fi ma agbegidi. Udogidi wa ho pian. I go investigate you. Why baba with this man? Easy no you make no fi oboyi. Why can no fi oboyi na? Why have we no hu makon? Why no one is war. Don't you ever go here? Now, more to come in your way, and I go easy. Oh, we are. Oh, I don't know what did book. But they know you. Oh, we are no. This man has a wife and children in Nigeria. On our friend there. You were dating a married man. A married man, I'm going to say, why are you married by her money? What I did? Why you know a visitor when I'm not terrible? Now we love her. You and your mother started using that man. What ended? In this same Italian guy, you want what did you do? On a go. Oh, go wherever son, or go wherever fan, because we're giving your bell. If you are Momo, what ye? Even one way you were the world. One way where the would also not living in beauty go. I am here. It's Yagoya one of radio. I am here. I could yet see me more. Easy. Well, while we're boy here, my people, I don't know the test time. Imani boy, money picture la jam. Imani picture la jam. Yes. Because matter ma kind. Se mana ni picture la easy. Girl, I just dey laugh. Matter ma kind, yan picture la jam. Bet. Uwa you are Izzy Omoruyi, when boy was ceremonial BS is there, the body yak why. Because you are saga, you are born, but what is saga? Taking a born, you are born, you are zest. You got me says, oh, man, away. You got me says, okay, man, go get off and on. Uboy me here, born when it is Zoe, you will not become off and on. Who hear the rechargeable battery. And you don't see any man saga was there, and when you know, because I see you as a rechargeable battery. A battery around the power. You are a rechargeable battery. You know what you are here. A cocoa bonue, ne ya harakwa. Oh no, me who vana one kidney, ya vana. One kidney, or ya vana, life in one. Ya suka mata na sukuma mama I have you whether you go live, when I don't come like no yagu. Yeah, don't know what's going on here. Also, the Thomas is there. Easy bag bay and women. Oh, you know, like boy. Oh, you know, like Bamaruji. Easy what can you hear? Then not get better than all who I've been all soon with an Eworua. I've been Zua, a Batosi, like Bamaruji. Almost any yati where oh no, una egg boo noa. Una mona. Egg bewen on what even on what you wear. No, it's Why that all you do? Or Cadocadino. Na yada easy. Na aquana. I know my drink.
I was trying to just give you that. Now we are needed who should not deserve it because I go on my way. So now let's go. Madam Osamete, Justina Idada, when I call it Frank. When I complain, it is the manipulator. This is the money name that is not manipulator because the money manipulating I'm already go to and one Mohammedan in the so when I do not attack
is you were no one where they go. Where else one? Is your mother not a slave to you? That will manipulate you. Every time you will. If you were really a woman, Israel was really a sensible woman. This Israel would not end big work. And not sensing with the easy no emoji. This yard more beware. This yard more. This no end big or beware. Easy egg no emoji. This yard more beware. As one was immediately as well. You know what? Did you wear mother Haribue? It to say your mother. Israel na mo dakari boy e meme no hi wo huna ne sara ya go kege ni ade we ara le gun DJ no ne gbe onye gbe biure ko isi no ye mo yi iju we ara igwe ya kon na la wo na ga ina we e nu we iju we ma ho e mi nu we ni zin iju we ma ho iju ye na ga wausa ne la ni moto oh, one and what were you working? Even the way you want. That's the major reason why when you are doing nonsense.
Osamede Justina, we are meeting the Bebore, Nagele, and Vente, and we Tade Matano. See, anytime you guys call me, I will always be there. There for you, Mama Sharon, Madam Joy, Idada, Akenori. Respecting me, no, de Sharon. But now, since someone when you baby, what?
I was lightning before the thunder.
Again, I want to go. I don't know. You are nowhere to just really answer.
You are telling them all our secrets, all our lies. And me, I'm not going let us do it.
What are you here now? Or we are Sharon? Or we are no good Sharon? Or we are no more, we are no more, or Tamia, Gabane Boa. The last time I've checked, I've not seen Mammy Sharon to try live to do away live to do away episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, episode 4. The only person there you go on the television like social media, oh, where don't see you. And you always say the one that will favor you and favor your late friend Sharon. Humiliating the mother. Making people to believe that the mother is a bad person. Making people to believe that the mother contributed to that death. Yeah. Everyone will give you money to like life one. This one saga from the beginning. I'm not just imagine this girl. Now this girl really crazy. Sharon who first start saga? Osamede TV. Who he be? Sharon bestie. All of them are squad. Sharon who start saga? Godi Mens Dorothy. Mens Godi. Which person friend he be? Your friend. All of them are squad. You form a Yagbe, and you be their leader. And you be their leader, you form a Yagbe, you start with us. You send your agents. You know to want to tell a live video. Really, you're not getting this one tell. You trans one jota. What leads to this sag, my people? Again, I get them well. Again, I get you who get me no way. Gele have you because that's the way gele ba. What can you do? What's your saga? Sharon really on my photo, no? Now you start the saga. Shut up, man. Everybody feels so bad. With them more. Who they drink beer, they drink beer. Like me now, one young. If person born, we go drink. If you build us, we go drink. You buy motor, you go drink. Person buy, we go drink. That's penny for you. I'm one young. We go bazaar. I do my drink and talking. I don't eat my drink and talking. Oh God, they use me to do saga. When I go to a sister of the coma, we that one I because they find money for marriage now. All those sack illiterate people doing WhatsApp. They don't they cool that they form gentlemen, they follow them, they come in, they give money, make to do marriage of next 2 weeks. I want to get the going matter now. Because of one marriage. When you're a defender, we focus on your marriage now. This my sister carry your cross. Oh God, I don't laugh. If we don't focus on marriage, my sister carry your cross. I want to share this video. Now, the same you send your puppies enter social media. They start to use Sharon matter they create content. And you know, say that here we hate oppression. For here, we hate oppression. We stand for the truth. We stand for justice. And that's how you see me. I'm talking about myself. I ball out. I don't take any weight from anybody. Nobody send me message. Nobody call me say, can't talk this one. Because of the way of fall flat for the mother. Person way lost him king. Now, come here, Ozoromakum. Izzy Omoruyi. You did a video today. Where, because you money video okay about her. Where is Sharon? Onaro Wije. Sharon Marie a biscuit or guy. Wait till I bless our player reach there. Because I get what I want to answer this video. What are you? What are you? Okay.
I can tell you. Yeah, it's not okay like my marshal over there like a derio. The marshal is not like a derio. Because 2 p.m. it's not area that up here. What we share not share shadow area up here. Open that be or you will be on a biscuit here. Why would we have stress?
Yes, so my people, I greet you all with better style actor right there. So when I hear this part from this girl, now I know say this girl really a person. 1, na small pikin dey worry her. 2, she not get sense. You read down here part in the girl and one kana. Enough you one. Yo. Enough you one. And then that omu. Ila ta omu yage na murita o egbe meto me. Ipa pegbe mateke. No ga la la pa. Let me pick this call. Hello? I greet you. Good morning. Okay, let me put on speaker. This speaker.
Okay. Me, I get 4 children. My first begin to be husband. If I don't get mama, get papa for abroad. I don't get sister. I get friends. Before I born, I go cook, put am for container, arrange am for freezer. I get husband. Before I born, I go put am for container. May I know say this one na the food when I want eat for reach 1 month, 2 months, 3 months before I get strong. What did that easy they talk? What did they feel like? God, these people are so wicked though. This one is not a friend. This is a bad friend. How you want to blame your mama for your own stupidness? My mama won't cook for you. If your mama not take sick the way you say, you don't fit take care of yourself. I know understand this.
Thank you very much, man. I appreciate you for your support.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. I know go pick on and want talk.
Look at that kind of stress.
What the hell, man? That's stressor. Oh, because this talk, they want talk. I need to stand talk. Easy. See, shift come. First of all, let me first say, if you know say you did this abroad, now my dad carry you come abroad. No, nobody should call. Nobody should call. Now my dad carry you come abroad. You did this abroad by yourself, carry yourself come. Or you come here one way or the other. Or now your person carry you anyhow you come here. No papa, no mama, no brother, no sister. I beg clap for yourself. And you can't come here, you can't marry, you can't born. You born 1, you born 2, you born 3. No husband, you are a single mother. You carry yourself, they go, you did. And picking them with you for us, you know. I beg clap for yourself. But what they go out? Oh, now be woman. Oh, so love one and God Almighty go bless you. Easy, see that? Then you listen. Because you be small picking. You be picking where they want feed picking. I can't talk about the first video where this guy say, easy. Amomo wants to back on that baby Amomo. Now you be. Because you see your mama there. Your mama will not get character, will not get sense. Your mama will not stay for husband's house. Where he born you. He use money square you. They not trade you well. Your character will tell how stupid your mother is. Easy. Your character will let the whole world know how useless your mother be. Nobody need to call your man useless again. Now your act to show how stupid, how your mother useless, not trade picking. Your mother doesn't have the qualities of a good mother. You see what they happen now? It shows say is where a woman born. Now, somebody will come there is abroad. Darky. He give her a belly. He not get mama. He not get papa. He mother carry come abroad. Make come do olosho. Now follow black boy deceiver for road. He carry move madam hand. He carry her run go house. Hope you say don't see husband. The black boy find her finish. He give her belly. The next the black boy don't want to stay with her again because you know they go to work again. Many people are single mother. This is how they deceive our women. Turn men to single mother. Because that time they bring money, they come, they go collect them with their mother hand. So that the girl goes to the house, they come, they give her money. And the girl they come house. In the night, they go still knock the girl with skin to skin. The girl will go to you come to hustle. Oh, madam, don't get belly now. Or go base. You go base liver because the girl they bring money, you see the girl belly. That girl goes, she go handle carry belly. Carry belly for good 9 months. For this Italy, what are you doing? You go come born. No papa, no mama, no brother, no auntie, no sister. They will go take care of her. Till the baby will grow. Another boy go sick, go descend them again. Now, you go still born. No one again. Two picky, two father. No papa, no mama. Only she alone go sick completely. Bam. Child person go come. Easy. Who that woman go blame? The same woman so when still get belle so in mama for Nigeria. Now you go still go to give her money. We make it eat. You see wow. Now what you want to talk this one? Now the cloth where you say you cover, you want open with this one. You are a fool. You also not you say not sell so with it. Also not you say not sell so with it. I come and bro can't do shorty. You say get money trade and finish for Nigeria. Can I come and bro get better life? You go call your jump from one country to another country for shortition. One apostle to another apostle. Bringing shame and disgrace to me. Me, they do a shower, they hustle money, they take care of enough for house. I do a shower, hustle money, carry an abroad, finish, give them a document for hand. For you to go do better thing, work, go school. Instead, you decide to say you want to jump from Napoli to Torino, from Torino to Denmark, from Denmark to Norway. They knock up and down. Make a kind of proud of you, Abi. Make a kind of proud of you. When we know as actual work be, I know the bad side of it. Because we are born for young age. Plan to give a better life. Okay, I can't call this country for him to sit down for house. They assist me. If you know my Google, say you want to go work for people, I get bag I don't really get for ground. When you feel assist me, the bag will boom. The thing go from small go blow. Ah, they will say, since when this one carry picky come, you don't go see that one down my daughter. You wait to assist him. Man, not say their back come big. They don't come get branch. It don't do like that. Then the next thing, the document I give you to this you for them. Let's go to see you for no way. Let's go now they go holiday. When they go holiday, who don't ever go holiday once? May you carry the master of nobody go. Easy, I ask you. Who never go holiday once? All the holidays videos you posted on your page. When you went to Akona on holidays, you posted it on your page with Sharon and your useless mother. You will never carry the master of nobody go once. No. Because the theory of you, una manipulate Sharon, bring her close to your mama. Your mama will be like person we get to guess. Una plan of it now. Una plan because you not feel born, your mama feel born job again. Then una want to pass her up. Now carry some two children young body. Omagba. A plan or plan or failure. Oh, but and a better go on. I never say anything. Easy. Wow. I might live out of here. Why you them here? Izzy Omoruyi. You wait till you are them here because I will be here because we're home. Is where here yet them here. Say Frank, you don't carry your mom go vacation. Where for once my mom carry go vacation? Where I for once see my mom I carry grave. Agbons. Ni am grave for carry vacation. Oh ya do. Don't mean am grave here vacation ya le mo here. Do when you grave here vacation. Even mo here. What get picture we want it. A family and wife here again. Okay, the family can have body family here. Yes. Listen, family no you. Now, easy. Is your way. Web because what back of it. One eye. MOB. I never do that. No. You hope you win. Small boss, the radio, Emilia. When I find away, say, Momangiluiri. When ya, Okunuyak Bekan. Mummy da Fona Muna Mwadia over away. Akum way of Akumo Yafe Yafe. Momagile Varile. When I you say, Momagilare. Was a low bottom to her Wesef. Echo Emma was it to manage to away, the committee away, which is very bad. If I were you, I would have changed my way easy. Now, your best friend get Oyibo, where he take her as a daughter for Denmark. He get wife, the Oyibo get wife. The Oyibo buy. I want to listen when they sees you. As the Oyibo wife buy, they will everything to Sharon. Izzy's aware. And some of Izzy friends also are still aware of what I'm saying right now. One thing I was so happy yesterday, that's why I said the woman can't curse me. The person where he called yesterday can't curse. I don't see me I will still read one statement with the right from Denmark. Now hear me clear. Izzy, you said you were in holiday, right? Now when you did holiday, then it takes your friend they come. Abi? Good. Now, according to you now, you say I am a tila of our son, a dead boy or monolacoma. I am a tila of our son, a dead boy monolacoma. Izzy, when on a holiday, we are here, we are here until our son, a dead woman that come. That's the question. You have to come and tell us. I don't have when you are here until our son, a dead woman that come. It's very important. It's all when we have the Sharon. A Sharon am I like gravy. Sharon never seen it agree. But you get paper where they want to collect from embassy here. When they want to leave for them to fly Sharon. A paper here like they be like I don't know. I've not heard from them. You understand? What I tell when I'm where you want okay. A Sharon ma yekwe or yeze for you agbe. Or yeze for you agbe. Share this matter with us sequence now. We all still for the one second. Let us see. May we go bury Sharon first. Before we raise the saga. We'll bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up. Oh God. Izzy Omoruyi. Marizo Omoruyi. Oh. Aola mere. Izzy Omoruyi. Oh. Aola mere. Is make me one when Izzy Omoruyi. Izzy go away.
Anyame Ogasonara after one. Anyame until a one. Anyame. A dead bitch Sharon like coma. That same day, Sharon went into coma. What's soon?
These are girls that dwells with Charles. Well, what are they kana? Sharon, Izzy, Sharon, Izzy. They are demonic sort of people. That is in Christian. What I'm trying to say here, they are not came on sir. Now those people they like jujutis. Are you the robo? Are you the robo? Are you the robo? That's the reason why they feel they hurt themselves. Because when they believe in your boy, even no sunu Diana hina. This one I get that mindset. I never tell one person I'm gonna with something go wrong. Everything, the whole thing, the whole scenario, they know the major part of it. This one they fear. Now we will tie. On the now the woman tie. On the ya kekunu ya kekehun. Ya kekehun. O ma gin agun. O ma gin agun. O ma gin asi agbada kan o. Easy move. Easy o wa kan. Easy azeno. Easy azeno. Easy move. Easy ya pime wa sone. I me be da mi ya o. Who be this all they come? Hello? What's up, man? You like video? Yeah.
Or one young Tiwa song, or Mona la Coma with Degby. I come here. I tell where I make baby and I pay my shashi there. Shoot to God. Imagine. But you know they the house. Now you tell no say I am
in Italy, you travel around Portugal.
Epa baby Jesus Christ. Na salopwa. Easy a win mo for na no. Oh when you imagine you are na ke do ya dey. Na ke mata na se ya na ne. But boy no be man no be vision boy. What can we what can be Sharon? O me pa yere we do mo. Wa to pe baba.
All right.
Yere we.
Yeah. What? Aola mere. Sharon no OKPAMEN. Oh. Aola mere. Sharon no OKPAMEN. Aola mere. Sharon no OKPAMEN. Oh. Sharon OKPAMEN. Aola mere. I was saying that no vio gagbe. Aola mere. I was saying that no vio gagbe. Inya Sharon gari wa. Aola mere. Sharon no OKPAMEN. OKPAMEN. Wa yo boya we koi. Inya gbo bi wa. Inya gbe iku ekune. Aola mere. Sharon no OKPAMEN. Aola mere. Sharon no OKPAMEN. I that you fear me on a sack, but I walk call. I walk, I walk, lele, I walk. Oh, walk bazia. E ma mi mi rock ba ada ye fie mu gbon. Sharon okpolu like din. E Sharon ya okpolu we like din. E bi bunu a di pon ki wo sere na. Ha ye ko tire na. Ni me ha no di bok no dia na. O ma di bok e. We se ti ye saga ya cover na no di bonk. Ebo no zigore Sharon. Ebo no mugo Sharon ya bo wa. No ya do wa e we bo. We ya tie abuma ya tie ya ka me we Sharon wu. Nana imye we ebo ni rich. Ebo is not wanted to be reaching you. Ni ya mo bi nyeri. Una ne OKPAMEN no zu ono ya mo mimiri. Right? You want change on? They here with me. Hello? Hello. I greet you. What?
Domo.
What?
Eru naba nuna ni ewaya ni lawebo. Iya na biya na meti gba o gbiyan. Easy. But omo no push you well at dia no do couples on emi la dia o ma tish we let's say Easy when na we o ma biye webo. We wait 2 days. 2 days I discharge our hospital. Omo no your pressure biye easy. 2 days I discharge our hospital.
Okay.
Ugona to boy kpona ya de biscuit ye. Let assume you way fine. Ijerema or ijerema. O ma ke do your pressure biye. Are dating we. Gege no ya biye. Bi me hia biye are dating ni me we gege no ya biye. Ile ra ya yuto. Ira mere ma ije mere ma otinyere ma. Egbe mere ma ni atie. What in the shadow man le ra yuto. But is it all these things you want to come and be saying? Oh, ya do shima ya bege wo ko ni o ma dano. Omo ni se ka ro so yi shadow man ki be ri e biscuit ye shadow bi aya.
Okay. Good question. Good question.
House. It's in me, it's us. Not to use this matter. Even if they pray from Victor Taba, again, I don't see where like thing. Don't make confession or confess once and for all for you to have your peace. What you are saying does not make sense, but people will be saying it. Brother Frank, Lady Monica, confess and let it be. How can I know your pressure be 2 weeks? 2 weeks I saw my hospital easy. Who are all over social media.
Normal delivery. I say for 2 days.
I'm staying here for 2 days. One by this supermarket. You know you can supermarket in it.
God bless you. God bless you.
Okay.
Exactly.
The freezer you talk. Is a biscuit to be a one way to any biscuit. Don't tell me Sharon.
Yeah, so women now what making I want him work boko yiba. Ni I want him abi.
Is it continue the confession? We want to hear that more confession. We want everyone is education away school no what they social media now. Frank Lawo what you put back. O salo boy easy la we gbe na we see sorry easy ba la we gbe wa yoja. E Sharon la we gbe na e Sharon ka you ya disgrace easy waka isikila waka no sense o je la dia you no get shame just you go sit down go play that record do you play okay we want to see where am we get by vacation so man dey here oto maybe we get by e want we ya by vacation what man dey there anywhere easy me here we show e can let I know here we show ma down here we show azeno what man dey there you to we carry vacation Izzy, take your time, eh? Izzy, take your time. Enter house. Don't let they push you. You are digging your grave. Enter house. Leave this girl. Make this girl rest in peace. Leave this girl alone, Izzy. When you want to go, where go on?
We see man, what's up?
Oh, ma, bye-bye.
Yeah. When you are Sharon, nothing but jealousy. What be the better girl? Not jealousy. Nothing. Yesterday, the call we entered this phone yesterday. Come up just to say, and because of jealousy, I was beginning. I asked my someone, no better vote. I would have to shower in the morning. Hello? I greet you. What up? Yes, ma'am. Okay, we are playing like this speaker now.
Okay, bro.
Yeah.
Because not that call I went finish call yours now. Wait till I be one just we don't talk motor. Yeah, according to Izzy for his first video, first one, he say after Sharon born, he take care of Sharon for 2 weeks or so, whether he not try. That 2 weeks, Sharon can't go hospital for 2 days after he born. Because Italy, if you born normal, 3 days that doctor discharge you.
Exactly.
Now when bed no day, they say people reborn that period or leave you for 2 days. But if you're not strong, now 3 days. When you use operation, but it's 4 days, or 4-5 days. Or 4-5 days. Okay, I Sharon can't born for 2 days. They can discharge Sharon for 2 days with operation. That same day when they see discharge and that 2 days, can't see what they call a supermarket. But you say you take care of her for 2 weeks before you travel, go Luzebon, Roma.
Okay.
Before you travel, go Luzebon, Roma. Okay. The 2 days when you can take for 2 weeks when you take care of Sharon, why you now not prepare food down? Say Ije o Ijo Ije o wa Epa Kokomo 2 weeks in it. Ike de Luzebon, Roma ni le da ena de Sharon a fridge no with Sharon for 2 weeks, he carry. Ma vie jamais que lose mon romare. Il est là a Sharon for 2 weeks. No, with Sharon where? Now you can't blame me, mama. That call I talk my husband at the fat. Me mama no feed they eat for where he cook they say. Me Sharon, me belle no bet. Mama say oh we na that beer. Ne yeah, me jomo pa no where. Oh yeah, that beer no jomo me bo yeah That story nobody will believe and say na biscuit Sharon chop. Awa. If he thought say mama no they take care of her, maybe mama they vex. They say maybe mama no cook give Sharon chop for 2 weeks after Sharon born. Here woman here be eba son rupa kegbe. Sharon no we here evidon we be na we too late upa wa we ya late any Sharon. We ya vio ele fridge because Sharon man no rion. We he very yo. Ogis tege no ya be we me ile da vio ye fridge oge. When I live your fridge now when I pass I don't lose bon Roma when I pass. My lady a fridge okay. Bros, you reason that place.
Ya kumene ya plan ya gbere ya we ina kune ma so lo gati na fa.
Validation. Man le drag ma mission say. Deni ma we say ni ma.
Hello, Papa.
Yeah, good to you this speaker.
Okay, I say you don't. First of all this where they happen for grant, so you do for since then we did it for the issue. And secondly, yesterday I noticed something. This girl, Miss Cody, yesterday do birthday. When you do birthday, Samede did there. For the background, if you listen to the background where Izzy did there. The same set of people will come out say not be easy send them. They not be too much. They not be close friends so easy like that. They not be this one and just friends. True Sharon now they not be say they're very close. But the girl do birthday yesterday. The three of Una birthday. The same person one that so not be friend with. Right? That one can still keep aside. Meaning so now three they work together just to bring Mama Sharon down. Okay. Then another one for inside when she shocked me.
And God will punish many people where they support Izzy, where they say, "Your mama na say mama no help na so na mama no help." Me want ask many of una for this abroad. If I should afford the last week, I made it the year.
He did.
How many of una go fit tell me say una dey abroad? Na mama no carry una come, they no get anything for una life. The same una go suffer, na go save money go give una mama for abroad. We try, and I think bet una say yes to yes, na mama no dey use email, say me say carry egusi or bono, come give una. From Nigeria, say una go send money go give una mama. Don't know cause the one way carry mama, he carry pikin, come take care of the pikin, carry pikin, even if they never take off her. Now big woman. He needs to shelter for himself because I brought everybody carry your cross. Not to talk and say mama dead there.
God bless you.
So what you not say me mama do me die for her?
God bless you.
Me die for her. Many of us there will not get our mama not there, our papa not there. Now we dey do our thing by ourselves.
So what about
we dey also. And for most ways they never work for one day. Yes, where they with him, when say connect nice, he go say with not be mama. Is the only thing when I get to tell you now if you go, yes, stop to the talk because the more you they talk, you they implicate yourself. The more you they talk, you they implicate yourself. So are the ones where they blame mama Sharon, una better shut up on her mouth because na mama not do for una. Exactly. They do for una mama.
God bless you.
And most children, I'm sorry to say, but most children when they for mama they carry the coin, they see many of them, they're useless.
Many.
Out of 100%, 80 useless.
Many.
They're not they serious for their life. Your mama carry you coin, but you still go they eat for your mama boss. They're not they serious. Many.
Thank you very much.
They're not they serious for their life. So now earlier the better now they can't stop that nonsense, because what your mama they do for best, Renee do for best, she carry her coin abroad. Most of us now Libya road we follow, now we take suffer. No problem, pa.
Thank you very much. God bless you. You see, I don't wait on me. Boom.
They say my way. When I'm seeing the home, I'm not going to wait by your body. We talk about that be here. In that case, on your but you come and tell them lies and say, easy, oh, I'm scatter. It make a regional. But when we're kissing to agree,
yes, easy. Thank God where a Sharon we hear regular Milan before I came worry. Back in a mere I'm worried and we small little Sharon can I shall not go. O keka friend your wo. Or this one friend is well cooking out. Oh, Sakasaka do. O keka zok was say, I came here on you. Or this one say you say, O keke na you, or not your boy, not Funyak Bay. Or not your Bonafunyak Bay. Easy there would for years. Easy. I mean, Sharon already done with TJ for years. You have your barwa. You shall not want me. Or here when I shall not. Easy. Oh, boy, I may be Sharon. Oh, boy, I may be Sharon. Hey, Dorothy, nowhere, that my friend. No fear, ignore your nasty Latia. And I'm with Sharon now with service a song this Saturday. And this Sunday a big Monday no guy birthday again. I will see. What off what be. Ya say ya tell ya what don when I no see Morocco. Ya kan ya wa ya ge ya wa. You know ya gbe fun ya wa. If one ya pe na obi here another one as fun. Ya wa ya ge we be ka. It's why I like that what if I'm gonna make it work, I do. If we want to would that life in them balance? Very Virginia. I was say OKPAMEN. He never for years, 20-something years now. You never now. It's 22 years, 24 years. Next year now, I have 3 years. I guess he go handle this on a training me 6. Umana stamina. Eti mamera. Ibe eti gba oyin ke o me se dalabe ya mu wane. Ni bros mo abiele ne. Me ma yeli ko ni vori ko ne. Ave timin ne guwe gona ne koko yo. Kata ko na koko ibe